So every year, the president has to file these disclosure reports listing his assets and his liabilities. And among those liabilities, this time, was this as much as $250,000 he paid to his personal attorney. That came in a tiny footnote on deep into the report. The president said it wasn't really a loan, so I don't have to disclose it. But in the interest of transparency, I am telling the American public that I paid as much as $250,000 to my lawyer. You had to look hard to find this. It was in tiny type on page 45 of 92 pages, and it was tiny, but it was explosive. He had paid his personal attorney as much as $250,000 last year for quote-unquote expenses, and that's big news. If this indeed was a loan, and government ethics officials think it was, President Trump should have revealed that payment to his attorney last year. And the world may have found out much earlier, if we had dug a little bit behind the payment, about the Stormy Daniels alleged affair. He made this payment to Michael Cohen, and it wasn't in his last financial disclosure report. And how can you expect other federal officials to tell the truth on their form if you're not doing it yourself and you're the President of the United States? Now, maybe he was mistaken, but if he knowingly and willingly held back that information because he didn't want reporters and others to go digging into this payment to Michael Cohen and lo and behold discover that Michael Cohen was paying this porn actress to keep quiet, if Trump tried to hide things deliberately, that's a problem. He's breaking federal law, and you can get punished for it. People have been punished for it. There are fines, there's jail time. This is a problem. The head of the government agency that received this financial disclosure report from Trump is concerned that Trump should have disclosed it last year and didn't. The head of that agency has written a letter to the Justice Department saying, you should look into this.